Vince operates a small sign-making business. He finds that if he charges X dollars for each sign, he sells 40 minus X signs per week. And what is the least number of signs he can sell to have an income of $336? Well, let's ask ourselves, how do you get an income? Do you take money that you have collected for each item that you sold? So if you sell 3 items for $4, you would have an income of $12. So the amount of money, well, it says here that he finds that if he charges X dollars, so our amount of money is X, he will sell 40 minus X signs. So how many items he has is 40 minus X. And when he's all done doing this, he wants $336. So let's clear parentheses. That'll give us 40X minus X squared equals 336. I'd like to try and get X not to be negative, and I need the equation to equal 0. So if I add a negative 40X and a positive X squared to both sides of the equation, we will have 0 equals X squared minus 40X plus 36. Now my favorite thing to do is to factor. But when you factor, you need to break down the first, and you need to break down the last. So let's go over here to the side of the paper and figure out what are the factors of 336. So here's a list of all the factors. 1 times 36, 2 times 168, 3 times 112, 4 times 84, 6 times 56, 7 times 48, 8 times 42, 12 times 28, 14 times 24, and 16 times 21. Normally I'd start at the end of the list, but these two numbers will not make 40. 14 and 24 will not make 40, but 12 and 28 do. And the signs are supposed to be the same. So this will work nicely. Let's do a minus 12 and a minus 28. And then to continue to solve for this problem, we can set each factor to 0 using the zero product property. And we get X equals 12 or X equals 28. Now remember, he's going to sell 40 minus X signs per week. So if I want to sell the least number, 40 minus 12 is 28, but 40 minus 28 is 12. So he only needs to sell 12 signs.